Hi there, welcome to Life Skills Green. In this video, I am going to talk about how to improve English listening skills or in another your target language that you want to improve your listening skill in that language. So this video is today on that topic. Let me clarify one thing in the first place here, that mastering or improving your listening skills in any language is not an easy job. It's not a walk in the park. It's not a piece of cake. It is possible you will improve your listening skills gradually, but surely you will master your listening skill one day, but it's not possible in months or days. It's a serious job, so you have to keep these aspects in your mind. I don't scare you by telling these things, but it's a serious job, not a fun or joke, so you have to put these things in your mind while you want to improve and practice your listening skills. Let me come back to my main topic here. There are a lot of things to keep in mind as you look for. There are a lot of things to consider as you look for techniques to enhance your English listening comprehension. They include hearing sounds, paying attention how English words are pronounced, comprehending the context, and making an effort to distinguish accents and trying to catch different accents, and lastly, listening to the story critically. So these all are the aspects that you need to improve and master your listening skills. If you do not have exposure to listening English content before, so it might be problematic for you to understand any content while listening. Spending a lot of time learning your target language or English and doing practice on your listening skill, surely you will improve. The beneficial result of listening practice is the ability that you comprehend the theme from various angles. Here are some simple English listening solutions for you in improving your listening ability. Number 1, you watch movies, but some people listen to films in audio format to learn English and entertain themselves at the same time. Number 2, for advanced listening skill, I recommend you listening to rap songs, listening to cricket commentary, football commentary, wrestling commentary, and sports car commentary to be able to understand fast English. You can also play your audio video in your target language at a faster pace to challenge yourself by just adjusting your device settings. This has been Nusrat Hussain from Life Skills Green. Talk soon.